Welcome to Navigating Earth. I'm Joe, your navigator, and this is a brand new channel dedicated to spiritual, personal, and creative content to help you evolve, expand, and grow as a spiritual entity here on Earth. I'll be adding all types of content over the months and years to come, from guided meditations, which are already on the site, to research, interviews, information about spiritual leaders and healing modalities, etc. Tons of information to share to get you to uncover that nugget of truth and love and inclusivity that is your spirit that may have been buried over the years with all this society stuff and gunk and generational patterns. So if you're interested in joining me on this journey of self-discovery, subscribe, be part of the community. I'm really excited to get this kicked off, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.